Cheers! Alright boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. This is a new video. The old video still isn't uploaded because of bad internet, like I was predicting in the start. However, I thought I would start the new video anyway. We are, at the moment, in the E36. Wow, the daily. This seems to be the star of the show. This is soon changing, maybe in this video. We have a brand new windshield. Check this out. Not cracked. The mirror is up on there, not falling off, none of that. This is actually a big step for me. So I'm very glad that I got the window changed. I did just skate over here because I had to leave the car for them to do it. So I am a little physically exerted. However, but let's see what else you get up to in this video. Okay, so this is the next day, and I've just received delivery of some very important key pieces of metal. In here is a package from Poland. I have already opened it because I just wanted to see what's up. In here we've got the bolts and sleeves. So what you see here is two trailing arm pockets for this car. So these are the actual plates that you would weld to the car, and these are the actual pockets that go in here, obviously like up inside the car, and these are the bolts and sleeves for the trailing arms themselves. Another thing I received delivery of is this. Some power steering lines, including the little windy bit and the power steering canister here as well. Because if you remember, this thing actually got yeeted up a curb, and a lot of the impact was taken not by the subframe but by the power steering lines which run along the front of the subframe. So they're squished, and I don't believe that they will be able to send fluid through them properly. And I wouldn't want to deal with that anyway, hence why I had to grab the new power steering lines. Fortunately, I did find an eBay store that had it in stock, and it wasn't really too expensive. So we're gonna get it on the car, and it's gonna be sick.
Is my recording good enough last time? I'll think about what I'm doing.
Yeah, you don't put your hand in front of the camera.
Yeah, I saw that. That was good.
All right, next day, back at this thing. Yeah, I did some shopping and some more parts came in. We got wind today, so excuse the wind again. We got some new hoses, a new air intake elbow because this one is trash. Okay, see that? That's no good. Rad cap and bleed screw as well. So steering rack Gators. They're little boots for the steering rack. And obviously, because you know that the rear is bent, we had to get some fresh rear adjustable camber arms in, guess what? Silver. Wow, to match the car. How sick. I just realized this as I was saying it. So today actually should be the day where the car gets taken away to get welded. Basically, I'm kind of here chilling, Bevan's filming, we're hanging out. I'm gonna put some of the shit that I bought on it, yeah, to say that I've done some work on the car, and then gonna send it off to get welded. I hope you can hear me. Engine corrosion.
I don't see one in there.
Is this too long then?
Looks like it, no?
Nah, that looks like it fits. Look at that. Yeah, this is where the fucking neck is, obviously, at the vanners, not down here. What the fuck?
Fucking piss taker. You actually stringing me along there too. I was like, what the fuck is this guy on about?
So this is how to delete your radiator. Just pull it out of the car because it wasn't mounted to begin with. Do you think this is actually good condition though?
This is fine.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's better than the one in my E46. This is the same type as the E34, but the E34 is wider.
Is there?
Yeah,
so
like
am I trying to get an
expansion
E34
tank,
right?
E34 is the same, but this is like longer that way.
Wow, I took the radiator out to make way for me to put the pipes on the radiator. This is why I don't work on cars.
I was too busy filming to even think about it as well. I just allowed that to happen. It's basically the same though.
It's just too long.
It's gonna fit. It's gonna be a tight fit because it's meant to not come off because it's a performance hose. You need some kind of grease lubricant.
Where do I get something like that?
I'm not sure the best thing for that. Or you can just do it better what you're doing. Shall I have a go? Oh, this feels quite difficult.
This is when it gets long and difficult.
If you cut it, it's gonna be even fucking smaller. I don't know if this is the correct hose.
I don't think it's the correct hose either. This is why I don't want to come to you. This is why I'm kind of stalling this a little bit. I already have the top hose though, I just needed the lower one.
That's okay then. We keep this for using later.
For hosing.
This is a good hose. It looks high quality.
It is.
I respect this hose. What are you doing now then?
Man's taking a bumper off, innit?
But why?
Clearance, because we're very tight.
I think you make it work anyway.
Cheers! Look at this
perfect, man. Look at that. This thing has a really good camera.
I know, this is why I got this phone.
I might have to cook myself up with one of these.
You want my old Pixel 3? It's really cracked, but still works good.
My phone's dying, so I might have to try that.
Yeah, if you need it, let me know.
I always leave it too long until it fully dies, and then I can't even transfer my day or anything, and you lose it. It's so trash. Try not to get run over by your own car. This is Raz's beautiful Ford, completely in the way. Car's in the way, don't worry about it. It's actually gonna get fixed.
Imagine this thing actually gets fixed.
You don't care about smashing this up at all, then?
Look at it, bro.
Ground clearance.
Good fucking design.
Look at this thing on the fucking back of it.
I love it. Silver coupe on truck. Wow, what a day, huh? The neighbors must be real happy. I'm trying to be in here so that it's not windy, but it's gonna be windy in here anyway. If you look outside, there is no more silver coupe. It's gone. He took it away. He drove away on the truck. We spoke about it, and he said it should be done the start of next week. So this video might take a long while for you to see, but it's a sick video. So you're welcome for watching it. I want to flex a little bit. I got these 5x120, 16x7.5 ET35. They're gonna be for the silver coupe. You already know I am a free spoke boy through and through. Since I was a little kid, I just always loved fucking free spokes. So now I'm actually living it and putting them on my cars. Yeah, so he's gonna get all of the welding done like I've been talking about. He has some spare 320 M50s laying around. So he's gonna put all of like the coolant shit because these hoses didn't really work. The intake boot thing was wrong. Just longness, but he's gonna sort it all out. And he said he's gonna write me a nice invoice, so I can't wait for that. I guess the next thing you should be seeing is the silver coupe being worked on, because I told him that I'm down to go and check it out and see what he's up to. So like in a couple of days, I'll probably go and visit him, see his progress, see what he's doing, maybe film some shit. All right, so this is a different day. I'm on my way now to BMW Works to see the progress on the silver coupe. I think it's been about 5 days since he came to pick it up. He has been busy with other stuff as well, but he's been making some really good progress. He's been sending me photos on Messenger. We've been keeping in touch. He doesn't live too far away, and I'm actually gonna have to go back in a couple of days to deliver some more parts that I had to order that I didn't know that I needed to order, which I'm actually getting onto now. So essentially the rear end was actually way worse off than I originally thought, which was something I predicted, but I was hoping that wasn't true. Either way, Harry from BMW Works, who's the person doing the work on my car. There's a little junction, let's not crash. He's discovered that the car is actually way rustier than the repairs that were done to it. In the process of taking the subframe out, he discovered that the subframe bushes were entirely destroyed. Makes total sense considering back in the day, during my ownership 3 years ago, the rear trailing arm bushes were finished, and Vaso actually replaced them for me back in the day. So it made complete sense that the subframe bushings were also fucked. Harry did send me some photos, so I should be overlaying them on the video at the moment. The subframe bushes are the part that I actually had to order, which I didn't foresee. Therefore, there is a slight delay in the entire process. I ordered them from Duraflex and I called them, and they actually explained to me that they have to make them before they can send them out to me. So when the Duraflex rear subframe bushes come in, I'm gonna revisit Harry again to see some further progress, which should be in this video as well.
One little bit of weld there. We've cut through there, and we cut through that bit there.
So this was like the third mount for one of the trailing
Yeah,
mounts.
this was the very front mount. Look, no penetration
It's
at all.
useless.
Nothing anywhere.
Bruh.
Yeah,
Piece.
and then we cut out the pocket, and that fell out.
Oh, from the inside? Just
That was actually inside, so someone had... That is the one that was that one.
What? So this piece was just rattling inside?
Yeah, so someone had pushed that up inside.
Bruh. Oh my god.
Obviously it had broken out, and they've just gone, yep, leave that in there.
Fuck.
You paint a little bit, but
Oh, don't fuck the paint, bruh. This is...
The,
Oh, you're pulling out a little bit.
the rear over fender didn't fit. It fitted there to there,
Yeah.
but that was in.
Yeah. This whole bit, innit?
It didn't touch it.
No.
It was about 2 inches away there.
Yep.
And all the fuel cap was right. It pulled all this out.
Yeah. This is
got that
looking...
a bit better.
How have you managed to pull this out, though? I could never even figure it out.
Jack inside and going in through the back there.
Oh,
Here.
through the skin, inside, through the
then
middle. Yeah, mental.
Pulled that right open.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
got
yeah.
in there and got it right out.
Yanked it out. Mental.
Yeah.
Let's have... Whoa, no way.
I was gonna say, I'm next to paint job I've had.
Bro, please, don't even fucking worry about that.
That's all done.
Wow, look at that. That's like a brand new car right here. Damn.
And then the top mounts all done.
Look at that.
Yeah, to show you.
So this skin was actually
This skin was touching on that.
touching inside
This
here.
whole lot was touching
We
there.
can still see the crease down that side, can't you?
Yeah, the crease. I've tried getting it out as much as possible, but
This
there's
is
a full-on
mental.
crease here.
Yeah, someone fucked this car up real bad. To be fair, yeah, if this looks good from like 10 feet, that's kind of all I need. All right, what's up? Hello. We're here at the Silver Coupe, and it's basically like the rear end is kind of done. Subframe's here, got the bushes. Over fenders are on, trailing arms all completed, strut towers blessed, like hair is all under sealed and like ready for use, and oh, it's too legit. This is the best part. I just want to show you lot. Yeah, you look here and you look at the over fender and you see the cap and you're like, why? This makes no sense. What's going on? You open it and you see it's actually spaced out to fit the over fender. How legit? This is too sick. I'm really happy with the work that's being done to this thing, even though the parts I've supplied are complete trash. Back in January, I put the zip ties. It's a good way to hold a headlight on, it's fine. Yeah. So the strut towers have been reinforced as well, repainted. If you look, there's the little zinc plated looking thing. That's the E36 plate, both sides. And you were saying about the camber top mounts, you put them this way for more like caster and stuff?
Yeah, more caster, and obviously that one was cracked there, and that was obviously cracked there.
Yeah, they were falling apart already, innit?
But I like using the E46 top mount plates because they're big and they put the pressure on
The
that
whole
bit
thing.
of the strut top rather than just the bolts.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, then they can't bend.
All right, so this is a different day. We're back here at the lockup. As you can see, I've got the black coupe out and I've got all my trash out, spare wheels, spare tires. I have all these amber corner lights for a coupe, right? And then I put these next to all of my coupe ones. And I totally realized that those other ones I have and that I bought specifically to have spares are actually for a saloon. Anyway, so the reason I have the black coupe out is because I've had a genius idea. I have HSDs on here that are kind of old and used. Still good condition, but the 5-year-old max speeding rods that are on the Silver Coupe are not really good condition. The shocks are blown out. They've been up curbs like too many times. So I just thought it would be better off for me to grab the coilovers of this and get some brand new coilovers for this eventually when I get this back on the road, which should be maybe next year. I don't know if you lot remember, but I was having trouble getting the last 9J Advan off of the rear hub here because the nuts that hold the wheel onto the adapter were seized. So I had to destroy a couple of them to get them out. At the moment, I'm actually having trouble getting the adapter off because of the shallow bolts. When you put a normal socket on these, you can't really get any leverage because it just kind of slips off. I did just get off the phone with Bevan and he said he's got some special like snap-on sockets that are supposed to combat this issue. So he's gonna bring them over when he finishes his lunch. I also have these 17s for Bevan to use at the drift day. Damn, she bagged and running. Listen to this. Wow. Damn. Check this fucking thing out. Oh my god. It still looks like a complete piece of shit. But check it out. Wow. I can't even get enough. Like, I can't believe my eyes. It's here. Obviously, it doesn't look much different to the last time you saw it. But I know all of the work and strengthening that's been put into this thing. It's totally revived. His truck was over there. I drove it up. I parked it. He had his jump pack on it, so no battery. It feels solid, man. It feels like an actual legit car. It feels better than it felt back in the day when I had it in 2017. Anyway, my mum is in town right now. I have to go meet her. Next video, you will see the transformation from this being a piece of shit car to like being like a ratty drift car. Like, it's still gonna be trash, but it's gonna be my trash. I'm gonna make it nice to my preferences. Yeah, I'm over the moon with this. Thank you very much to BMW Works. Thank you very much to Harry for putting in mad work. He literally had this back to me pretty much in a week, which is kind of wild considering all of the work that needed to be done. Look, I can't get over it. So sick. This is the original slick top coupe, bruh. Look at this. God damn. Anyway, enough creaming over it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Definitely follow me on Instagram at Rogue Drive, and I will see you soon with another video. Peace.